If the sun vanished this very second, you wouldn't even know until 8 minutes later. Everything you see when you look at the sun is a lie, not just a delay, a window into the past. Light travels fast, almost 300,000 kilometers per second. But even at that blistering speed, it still takes sunlight exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. So every single sunrise, every golden sunset, even the warmth on your skin, it's all 8 minutes old. You're not seeing the sun as it is, you're seeing it as it was. And here's the unsettling part: if the sun suddenly exploded or even got sucked into a black hole, Earth would just keep spinning peacefully for 8 full minutes until darkness crashes in without warning. That delay could mean the difference between survival and extinction in a future solar event. Think of space as a massive cosmic theater, and we are sitting 93 million miles away from the main stage. Even though the show is happening now, our seats only let us see the past. Because nothing in the universe, no signal, no image, no warmth can outrun light. This isn't just true for the sun. When you look at the nearest star, you are seeing it as it looked over 4 years ago. And some galaxies, you are seeing them as they were millions of years in the past. The speed of light is the universe's speed limit, but it's also the reason we are trapped in a permanent time delay. Astronomers call this light time effect, and it's the same principle that lets telescopes like Hubble and James Webb peer back into deep time. The further we look, the further back in history we go. So, yes, every time you look at the sun, you are time traveling just in one direction into the past. Now, here's the real kicker: if you only see the sun 8 minutes in the past, what would actually happen if you tried to touch it in real time? The heat, the radiation, the plasma storms, could you even survive a millisecond? In our next video, we are going there. No spacesuit, no shielding, just one simple question. What if you could touch the sun? Tap the bell because you're not going to want to miss this, and I'll meet you in the next video.